tired. I'm getting exhausted. I need to take a break.
He's gonna be pounding you. You gotta get a heart pumping. You gotta get this pumped up, man.
Say what?
You gotta pump this up. Come on.
Say what?
You gotta get that adrenaline going, man. Come on, testosterone.
All right, coach. All right, I gotta take a break. I gotta take a drink. I gotta take a drink of my special energy drink here.
Do what?
Take a drink of my special protein powder shake.
Do what?
Take a drink of these steroids I've been taking.
Do what?
Oh man, hold on. I just need to start some coke.
Oh man, just focus. I'm no problem, okay? Just focus and just start trying to come at me. Come on.
Say what?
Come on, man. Just strike me. Bah! Bah! Bah!
Oh, more time. Come on, coach. I got more of you. Come on. What you want?
Come on, use your legs. Try to kick me.
Say what?
Come on, miss.
Say what?
Come on, you can do better than that. Come on, you keep missing. Dash.
Oh, coach. Oh.
And see.